Hi guys, I'm Seb, head bartender and mixologist at Gin and Tonic, and I'm here today to teach you one of my absolute favorite classic cocktails in the world called the Bee's Knees. So, just a bit on the name, Bee's Knees, along with cat's whiskers actually. Both of these words, they entered the US lexicon back in 1920s, and both of these words express something of excellence. To be fair, there is no better name for this cocktail than Bee's Knees. It's definitely a cocktail that's gonna leave you buzzing. Just a bit about the history. So it's thought to have originated in Prohibition time America. So back then the market was dominated by bathtub gin, which was, I don't want to call it cheap, but let's say it was a bit of a nasty flavor, a harsh alcohol, so people just found ways and methods to mask the harshness. So the first method that they tried was to add a spoonful of honey to their portion of gin and a bit of lemon, created a bit of acidity and a bit of balance. Well, gins have evolved a long way since then. We no longer want to mask the flavor of the gin, but we want to shine it through. And there is no better way to shine through the character of a gin than in a Bee's Knees. So it's going to be a shake and drink. So I'm going to go ahead and pre-chill my glass first. So we're going to be using honey, which provides warmth and floral undertones. So I'm gonna go ahead and add around 15. Now next thing we're gonna need to do is add the gin, and we're gonna stir everything together until all the honey has dissolved. I suggest using the same side of the measure so we can wash this as well. We're gonna be using craft grapefruit and hops gin for this mix because it blends really well with the citrus character of the Bee's Knees cocktail. So I'm gonna go ahead and add 50 ml of craft grapefruit and hops gin. Next, what we're gonna do is give it a bit of a stir and melt all the honey, dissolve. A shortcut behind this would be to combine the honey with hot water and turn it into a honey syrup. That can work as well. So there are numerous ways you can twist this cocktail. There are numerous stuff you can play with. You can play with different styles of gin. Different styles of gin will bring you a different character to the drink. You can also play with different styles of honey. You can even push it further and pair the honey with the gin. So let's say a floral gin would go brilliantly with polyflora honey, while as a spicy gin, I would pair it with maybe Rooney honey. That's nice and dissolved now. So we're gonna go ahead and add our sour as well, which is gonna be fresh lemon juice. So before chopping my lemon, I will go ahead and keep a bit of peel for the garnish. We're also going to be using the oils inside the skin to spike the surface of the drink. Right. So go ahead and juice 25 ml of lemon. And we're going to add that to the mix. Now, it's time to ice up all the way to the top, and we're gonna give that a firm shake. Check the balance. Beautiful. We can discard the ice now, and we're gonna double strain everything into our pre-chilled glass. Now the reason why I'm double straining this is because I'm trying not to have those nasty little ice chips inside my drink. And we're gonna finish that off with a bit of lemon oils on the surface. You can do that on the rim as well. Just a little something to impress the nose. And a lovely lemon peel. So there we have it, citrusy, fresh, and damn delicious. Bee's knees. Bottoms up, enjoy.